Maple Lane, we're showing you the Portax LK. This is the extended version of the regular walk-off Portax, giving you an extra 2 feet in front of the chest bars. This is seen in the dark blue metallic color, roof and front bow, and a multicolored decor on the side. We have it set up with the door ramp combination open up as a step-up version. You can take out all of the material inside the trailer and use it as a utility trailer. A quick conversion to the ramp, and now you can enter a horse up the ramp if you prefer, choosing your bar setting to accommodate large and small horses. This extended version gives you lots of room in front of the horses to be able to work with them, to place hay, shavings, a box. The movable partition allows for the horses to exit easily across the front of the trailer. Tack storage cupboard comes with 2 swivel out saddle racks for English or Western saddles, and a place to put your rest of your grooming belongings. Here we have the Portax LK.